Planning a trip and want to know what travel protections your Amex card offers? If the fine print of travel insurance seems confusing, you're not alone. Today, we're demystifying and setting up travel benefits on your Amex card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Many Amex cards, especially premium ones, include automatic travel insurance benefits like trip cancellation, baggage delay, and rental car insurance. You don't set it up so much as you activate it by using the right card. The key: pay for travel with your eligible Amex card. To activate most travel benefits, you must charge the full cost of your airline tickets, hotel stays, or rental cars to your eligible Amex card. The insurance is then automatically tied to that purchase. The details: know your card's benefits. Log into your Amex account and look for Benefits or Card Benefits. Here, you'll find a detailed list of the travel protections your specific card offers, from trip delay reimbursement to premium global assist. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: save all your travel receipts and booking confirmations. If you need to file a claim, you'll need proof of payment, your Amex statement, and documentation of the incident, e.g., a flight cancellation notice from the airline. Keeping an organized folder for each trip makes the claims process smooth. So, just like that, you can travel with the confidence of knowing you're protected. Understanding your card's benefits goes a long way in getting value from your annual fee and handling travel disruptions gracefully. Now I'm curious, have you ever had to use the travel insurance on your Amex card? How was the claims experience? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.